All right, pushed the Budgie code online, got my QEMU ready. Virtual Manager is where I started. UEFI, systemd as choice, Budgie, and we have to think about the details. I have to tell him that he needs to go to the SATA, to the CD-ROM, and then boot up, go to full screen, and off we go. Booting ArcoLinux. Always something with these numbers. Numlock on, not on. Oh my god. And then CD. Let's not do this time an ls. I could restrain myself. Get everything in, install everything, and voila, off we are installing Budgie. I think still on X4, I don't know what's default, should check it, doesn't matter. Since it all works, Battery FS, XFS, F2FS, Riser FS. Yep, those are the options. Is JFS there? I wonder. Let's have a quick look. Riser FS. No, JFS is not there. X4, Butter FS, XFS, F2FS, Riser FS. It's enough, more than enough. Oh yeah, here we are. Lots of files. Budgie desktop, there he is. GNOME calendar, GNOME screenshots. So even though these files may not indicate much, start reading them. Some of them you recognize after years and years of flashing text over your screen. The GNOME terminal is there. Simple scan. So the amount of packages that now come in is the decision of the ArcoLinux guys. You create a group package or a meta package. There's a small difference there, but basically it's a bunch of applications that come in. Type Plasma, you get a whole desktop. Type Cinnamon, you got a whole desktop. And the same here. If you're wondering why all that needs to come in, countdown video 4 minutes 29 seconds. Like I said, around 4 minutes you've got everything, and I do a little bit more. I have Sublime Text, I have Inkscape, I have Melt, I have Firefox. So those are not desktops, those are applications. Whoa, Eric, come on, action. So I'm gonna shut down force off, view details, SATA CD-ROM, hey, boot options, that one, go, apply, view, console, start, full screen, and Budgie. This is system D, right? We do not have a broken system. Really looks, what's that? And here we are. Eric is here, and Eric can do lots of things, and GNOME wants to take, no, we're here to see Budgie. And we are off. Don't show this. Come on, don't show this. Sound is there. It's installed. Icon is a bit strange though, but this is your Budgie. A bit small, and you can set all kinds of things. I believe normally I like this when I go over there, that immediately the menu follows, but here it is, click and click and click and click, click, and we click so much, right? Settings, Bluetooth settings here, notifications, and so on and so on. Display sounds like a good thing to start. That's the mine. Apply. Keep this configuration. Thank you very much. And maybe for the website, a nice picture. System monitor, no. Terminal. So sudo pacman -s -ny neofetch, and installed. Thanks, Dylan. Voila, neofetch. KVM, QEMU, 744 packages, 744, yeah, said it correctly. 570 megabytes memory. Anything else? Not really. So, a nice image with flame shot, like so. And voila, saved for the website. All right, cheers.